Today's recipe is Greek yogurt raspberry muffins. Okay, we're going to whisk together all the flour, baking powder, and salt. We'll set that aside. And we're going to cream together our room temperature butter. Having this room temperature butter makes it much easier to incorporate. Add our sugar. And we are going to mix this together until it becomes pale and fluffy. As you can see, my butter wasn't completely room temperature, so it's very important that it is room temperature. But we're going to go ahead and make it this anyway. Just takes a little longer to incorporate. We'll get this all mixed together. Scraping down the sides. Now this recipe, you can use frozen raspberries too if you like, and if you're going to use frozen raspberries, just add them frozen. You don't need to thaw them out. Now we'll add our eggs one at a time, and we'll mix this until it's incorporated. This recipe should make 12 large muffins. We'll add another egg. Mixing this until it's all combined. Then we'll add our last egg. Now we can also, instead of raspberries, if you want to add a different type of fruit, blueberries works well with this, strawberries. If you're using fresh fruit, you can add a bit of flour onto the fruit, and then that will prevent them from sinking to the bottom. All right, now we're going to add some vanilla, and we're going to stir that in. If you would like to see a specific recipe, please leave a comment below. And now we're going to add half of our flour mixture. And we're going to gently just fold that in till it's incorporated. And then we're going to add our Greek yogurt. You could use plain yogurt. You could also use buttermilk as well. And we're just going to fold that in a little bit, and then we're going to add the rest of our flour. And we're going to gently stir this until all the flour is incorporated. You don't want to overmix the batter, otherwise it doesn't come out light and fluffy. Now we'll add our raspberries and gently fold them in. I just put them in whole, but if you like, you can chop them up. I find when you're mixing them up, they break apart anyway. And then we're going to scoop it into our muffin tin. I've sprayed my muffin tin, but you can put liners if you like. And this will go into a preheated 350 degree oven for around 17 to 18 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. Let these cool for 5 minutes before taking them out of the pan and transferring them to a wire rack. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Here are 2 more of my videos you may be interested in. Thanks for watching.